See how it says service stable track? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Corey, aka Mr. Manage, and thank you for being here. If you guys could please do me a favor right away and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making videos like this. Okay, it's going to be a pretty sweet, or nothing sweet about it, but short video. You see the thumbnail, you saw the beginning clip, which I'll get to. The car went boom. It made a loud boom. I didn't like it. So what happened was, after I left the shop with the maze cams installed, I had got my tune from Will already with the revision for the maze cams. I installed it, and I had asked him also to help me with my fans, to turn on my fans earlier. I installed the tune. I was driving home. I had traction control and all that stuff on, and I was getting on the freeway, and I was gonna let her have it a little bit to see what happened. I think I got maybe at around the top of 6,000, and then a loud boom happened, and I was like, oh no, like what is this? I don't know what it is. Freaked me out. It said stable service, stable track. It gave me a certain code, which I was able to look up on the AutoCal. So I pulled over. Car pretty much went into limp mode, so I couldn't go above 30 miles an hour. So I cleared the code, started driving again, and then I started my data log for Will then. So to see if it would do it again, I took the car out of traction control, turned off traction control and stable, because I didn't know if that's what it was. And I was driving home, and during the data log it did it again, so which you'll see the video. And at that point I cleared the code, I drove it, and I just got it home. I sent an email to Will, and I'm waiting to hear back as far as that goes. And hopefully by the time you guys see this, maybe I have an answer from him. So obviously all my videos are kind of like backdated, so that's the update for now. Again, I don't know what it is. It could be something simple. From the research that I've done, it's usually like a bug in the tune. Usually when this code pops up, it's something with the ECU or ECM, whatever you want to call it. So usually they have to get reflashed by a dealer, but being that I'm custom tuned, can't really do that. So I've read that it could be a bug in the tune, and that the engine saw something that maybe it didn't like, and then it just went into limp mode. Brand new timing chain in there, brand new cam. So we'll see what happens. Sorry, this is probably not the update that you guys wanted, but maybe in the future we'll have good updates to come. But I just want to keep you guys posted. So that's what happened, and let's show you this clip right now. See how it says service stable track? I don't know what that is, but I'm glad it happened so you could see it, because I don't know if something's wrong with the engine or what. It says service engine power reduced, service stable track, and that's all it tells me. And then I'm going to show you the codes that it was bringing up as well, if I can. And then I'm gonna have to clear them again just so I can get home. Alright, so you clearly saw in there, I don't know if you could see, maybe actually, so maybe it wasn't you clearly saw. There was a wrench in there. It said service stable track, and that's what I was talking about. So I was getting back onto the freeway, and I was hauling, I was getting it. That second gear went fine, and then when I went into third gear, it was like, not today. So I don't know what it is, but like I said, email is already out to Will, so hopefully by the time you guys see this, I have an answer. So that's what happened. I just want to keep you guys updated. You might run into stuff like this if you put in the maze cams. That's fine. Maybe, I don't know if something's seriously wrong with the car or it's just a hiccup in the two, which is what I'm hoping. But either way, I just want to keep you guys posted. That's why I'm doing this. I told you in the other video that if I blow up my car, it's to show you guys, you know what I mean? So I just want everyone to be able to learn from it and to know what to expect, because you know, this might happen to you if you put in the maze cams, and who knows, maybe it's something normal, maybe it's not. And obviously the more I put out videos on this, the more you'll know. So by the time you're ready to put in maze cams, you'll have all the answers you need. So short video, guys. Again, just wanted to keep you updated. So thank you so much for watching as usual. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. And thank you guys so much for the support. We're at 1,110, I think, subscribers and going. So actually, we're still on pace to hit that 1,500, which I was pretty excited about, and I still am excited about. Again, as usual, I cannot thank you guys enough for showing me the support that you guys show me, and you guys are my drive to keep going. And I know, like, you guys are so, like, involved and like, you want the cams and stuff like that. Like, I posted my alternator video and it's got like no views because like everyone's invested in the cam. So I get it. I'm trying to put more content out about it, and I'm doing my best. But again, I appreciate every single one of you guys. Don't think it goes unnoticed. And if you are one of those people that come and watch the video, if you made it this far, thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please show me some love and support and hit the subscribe button. And as usual, just a guy living life. I will see you guys for the next video. Bye.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.